Hi everyone, just wanted to show you our fabulous new cool and serve trays. These are new in this catalogue and despite being sceptical when I first saw them, because sometimes I am about some of these products, I love this. Really good. I've trialled them a couple of times, can't wait to use them in the summer. The lid clips off like that, and then inside you've got two sections, so you can put some food in here, some in here, and something else in the middle. And then this bit here goes in your freezer. Stick this in your freezer, and it goes solid inside. It's got some of that defrosting liquidy stuff. What do you call it? I don't know. Does it matter? Anyway, and this is base. So it all goes back together again. What you can do is you can put the lid on like that, and you can put cakes in it, so you can use it as a cake carrier. Not on the cakes just now, so probably won't be using it for that. Put the cold base in, straight from your freezer, pop it in there, and then you can put food straight onto this green tray, and then stick the lid back on like so, to cover it up. Or you can pop this bit back in and pop it in there, so it's great for lunches. You can put salads, with some with liquids in this side and then maybe dry on that side, and then they're not going to, as my son would say, contaminate each other. You can put crudités in there, or a dip, or great for after school snacks, or taken to your work for your lunch. I used them recently at a party at home and put crudités in these and a dip. And the green bit had been in the freezer, and when it came to 4 hours from being out of the fridge, the food on the top was still cold because of the green bit underneath. So I was super impressed by how these things work. This is the small one. We have another one, and our other one is this. And this is our large cool and serve tray. As you can see, got a few more sections. Works exactly the same way as the other one, but you have 2 separate trays this time, and you also have 2 separate freezer bits as well. Great for, again, putting your big cupcakes and things like that in if you pop the lid in. Or you can turn these round. And what are these funny little bits I hear you say? Well, in America, really big into their deviled eggs. Very 1970s if you ask me. However, you could do that with them. I've heard some people talk about putting chocolate in there and making little chocolate molds. I suppose you could. You could use it for putting prawns in or things like that. So you could have this set up in any manner of ways that you want. You can put it with one of the egg sides up, flat side up like that. And then you can put one of the trays in and then have it like this way, or have it like that, flat. Lots of different combinations of what you can do with these. There we go, pop it back together, like that. There you go, cool and serve trays.